What's up everybody? Today on ColinsClub, I'm going to be reviewing this incredible Bluetooth speaker. And for 1/3 the price of other Bluetooth speakers in its class, this puppy packs the same powerful punch. Now the only thing that might not be so super about it is how many people pronounce the name differently. Well, I guess if you're that super, we all can't have a name as simple as Clark Kent. The packaging, this box, everything's tight, nothing shakes. A lot of stuff that gets sent to us to be reviewed. When it's packaged this tight, you can tell they care. And look at that, a little Christmas card inside. Let's open it up and check it out real quick. It says, Happy Merry Christmas from AOMAIS. All right, now here is the speaker. Wow, I'm gonna tell you this right now, that's solid. See, you can tell, I can feel the rubber all around. It's solid, it's packaged in there. And let's check out what the sticker says on the front. It says, warm note, please remember to seal up the flap for the USB and auxiliary ports. While you use in water, it will damage the device. So they're talking about this right here. See this? Now, seal up while in water, USB and auxiliary. Look at that. And see how thick that is? You can see that thickness right there. That's very thick rubber. It pops in there nice and hard. Everything packaged nice, beautiful. Look at short press volume, long press next track, play, pause, hands-free. They really, I love how they did this. They put everything on here, press and hold the volume button, one speaker for stereo pairing. And also folks, you can get two of these and hook it up to your phone. And instead of having one speaker with a left and right, you can have two speakers. One will be right, one will be left. That's absolutely incredible too. This thing is heavy and solid. Like I said, you can feel it. That's rubber. And ooh, look at this. That right there will go into a tripod. Or I seen they had a mount for bicycle handlebars where you screw it on there and you got it facing you while you're riding your mountain bike or something through the woods. That is even incredible too. Holy schmoly. So let's put this right here and now we're gonna check out inside the box. Let's see what's in it. Everything is packaged nicely. So here's your protect your purse, is free 1 year, so register your product. That's good. Here's the instruction manual. You gotta like that. Perfectly very simple, not a lot of pages. And then in here, I'm seeing this blue thing, but I don't know what that is. All right, here is your 3.5mm cable. Now folks, I'm gonna use this to plug it in to the computer headphone jack and use this at headphones on my computer, because computers, well, my laptop does not have good speakers, and either does my gaming monitor in there you saw. Most gaming monitors or TV today do not have good speakers, so you go out and you buy a speaker bar or box and you put it underneath it. Well, I'm gonna test this out while I'm playing video games to see how good it sounds. But here is the 3.5mm cable. That's pretty long, goes off the camera. I'm gonna use that, and then right here, what do we have here? Ah, this is what we got. This is a USB charger. So here you go, that plugs into the side of it right there, and then here you can plug it into a USB jack. That's pretty long too, see that? Okay, what is this in here? Let me check this out. Now let's check out and see what the heck this thing is right here. All right, as the box falls off the table. This is a float. Are you kidding me? This is a flotation device. So when you're in your pool, blow this puppy up and then you strap it in. All right, let me blow this thing up real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, I got the float. It's like a little human float, okay? But it's for a speaker. So let me take off the sticker right here, okay? Folks, I'm telling you, this is cracking me up. Look at this thing. Now, do you stand it up? So it looks like it stands up right here, all right? You would put this through here. And if I can weave it through, I haven't sewn or done any crocheting in a long time, so. And then you go like this, and I would tie it in a knot, all right? And you know, I'll tie it a little bit tighter when I take it to the pool with me this summer, but there you go. If you lay it down, it kind of fits there too, or you could stand it up. Unbelievable. Who thinks of something that cool? I mean, it's a float for a speaker. Are you kidding me? All right, folks. Well, listen, we're going to go through some really quick specs because I'm not really huge on deep specs, just the simple ones. We like to see how things work more than going in depth in the specs. Specs, if you go into the link down below of this, it'll take you to Amazon. We'll put links to the website. It'll take you to where you need to go to look up the really in-depth specs on this. But it says audio output 10 times 2, which would be a total of 20 watts. Range 10mm, 33 feet. The weight is 18.76 ounces. You got Bluetooth version V 4.0. And what else we got? Waterproofing IPX7, charging time 3 hours, and it has playtime 10 hours at 50% volume. I'm gonna go through this really quick. Tells you how to pair it. There's the two speakers you can use if you wanna have two of them for left and right stereo, spread way apart. Tells you all the lights, what they do. 33 feet is the distance. Bluetooth connect, answer or recheck the incoming call. I never even see that. Listen, it has a speaker on here. Bluetooth, the power, it's got a little speaker on it right there, so that way you can answer your phone. If you're listening to music and your phone rings, you can answer your phone while you're in the pool. You can leave your phone up on the pool side on your little table up there in your chair, put this in the pool with you. If somebody calls, you can answer your phone in the pool and be like, hey, I'm just floating away. There's IPX7 waterproof. What else we have in here? So that's really about it. So now let's go in and do the real test. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this 3.5 millimeter cable that was provided with the speaker, and I'm gonna unplug my headphones from the laptop, from the headphone jack, because it's a 3.5 millimeter. I'm gonna plug this speaker, or this 3.5 millimeter cable in there, and now on the side of the speaker, there's a 3.5 millimeter jack underneath the waterproof cover. Plug it right in there, and then we're gonna power this baby on. Ready?
Powering on.
That is a really cool voice. Now I'm gonna play a ColinsClub video on his YouTube channel to see how it sounds. It's him at a basketball game. So let's check it out. We are headed into Kell High School in Marietta, Georgia for a basketball game. That is crisp and clear.
Look at this.
Where's the intro music?
This is nice.
Come on. Wow, I can feel the bass in my hand. This little thing is incredible. All right, let's get him on the court. Let me turn it up.
Maximum volume.
Uh-oh, maximum volume.
Maximum.
Let me turn it down one. There you go. Here we go. I can feel the bass from the basketball bouncing on the court. It's shaking my hand. This is absolutely incredible speaker. All right, now let's go ahead and hook it up to the gaming monitor and see how the game sounds. All right, so I hooked the speaker up to my gaming monitor. My gaming monitor has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so it worked perfectly. Let's see how this puppy sounds. I can tell you already, by the sound of the music in the game, this thing is incredible. The bass, the treble, all that. There's no way I can have this on when mom and the kids are home. She'll go nuts. This is too loud. All right, what are we doing here? We are in a heroic event. This is a video game that I play almost every day. It's one of my favorite, and we have to protect this glimmer right here. All right, here comes the ruckus. Now you remember in the Avengers when Captain America told Thor to put the hammer down? Well, all right, you want me to put the hammer down? I'll put the hammer down. Oh yeah. Folks, this thing sounds absolutely incredible. I cannot take it anymore. Let's throw some more hammers. Look at all that damage. I hope you can hear me, but this thing is absolutely incredibly loud. Wow, folks. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hook it up or pair it to my phone so that way you can hear how some music sounds. I want to thank you all for being patient while I tested this incredible speaker in the two ways that I'm going to use it most, through the laptop and through the gaming monitor. So now let's test it in the ways that most of you all are going to use this speaker. And that's by pairing it to your phone and then playing music from YouTube or any other source from your phone to the speaker. And let's see how simple it is. So let's power it on. I love the voice.
Powering on.
All right.
Ready to pair.
Now you can pair it with the NFC One Touch, but we're gonna do it the conventional way here. And I'm just gonna hit AOMAIS Sport II speaker on my pair. There you go. We're all set. All right, now let's go ahead and we're gonna bring up some YouTube music. And I'm not gonna play any bassy stuff or any hard rock and all that. I'm just gonna play some good music that I listen to because I'm older and that I'm not gonna get a copyright on. So let's go ahead. Whew, that's loud. All right, let's make sure that this thing is turned all the way up. When you turn it all the way up, it's gonna give you the max power reach. Uh-oh.
Maximum volume.
I know that, I wanna hear it loud. All right, so this is a popular song on YouTube that people use. Now, let's go to another popular one. Let's check out another one. We'll go right through the list here, all right? I tell you, I can feel the bass in my hand. This thing sounds incredible. Let's just keep going through, folks. I'm gonna try different ones, and these mostly are gonna be instrumental. Oh my gosh, this thing is shaking my hand. This is great. If you love Austin Powers, The Spy Who Shagged Me, this music is for you. Let's turn it upside down and around. All right, folks, there you have it. Let me give my final recap and thoughts on this thing, and then I'm gonna let you all go. Well, there you have it. The AOMAIS, or you know what, if I'm not saying the name right, it doesn't matter anymore, because this thing is super. And for 1/3 the price of the other speakers in its class, this thing is super, super. All right, well listen, I love this little floaty. Look at floaty, floaty, floaty in the pool. I can't take it no more. Well, thank you all for bearing with me on the test that I did with the laptop and the gaming monitor and not playing your top 10 rap or rock music on this thing. I just don't want any copyright strikes. All right, everyone. Well, thank you all very much. And until next time, this is Craig, or also known as Shut Up Dad, on ColinsClub, and we are
Powering off.
See ya! Want to see more videos like this? Then click right here. Have a little sister who loves princesses? Then by clicking right here, go check out Skylar's Club. And if you want to be notified every time we put up a new video, when you click right here and subscribe to us, click that notification bell. And always remember, give more love, get more love. ColinsClub.